this?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
No, do not do that, bro. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to detangle your hair the right way. So without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into the video. Let's go. So a lot of people probably think they're detangling their hair the right way, but they're actually losing hair and they don't know how to detangle their hair. So they detangle their hair with straight up nothing or even just water, and sometimes use a metal pick, or a plastic pick, and just pick it out dry, and like you're ripping your hair basically, because a lot of you guys just wake up in the morning, is that all for school, just go like that, but that's actually destroying your hair, and that's slowing your hair growth. So to get started, I'm gonna put some water in my hair and then put a leave-in conditioner. This is what it is. I'll put a link in the description so you can get it on Amazon. I'm gonna be detangling my hair with this. Like I said, it will be put in the description so y'all can go cop it. I have a Amazon store where I put all the products that I use in it, so you guys can go check that out, link in the description. So now for detangling. A lot of people start just going in from the roots and ripping out, but what you want to do is start from the top down to the root, so it'll be better. And this is my mom's. Chill. This is my mom's. This is Unbrush, and this is very good detangling product. There'll be a link in the description. Like I said, everything that I use will be there. So I'm just gonna detangle like this. This will be way easier. Y'all go cop this. Doing it just like so. Ooh, yeah, that's tough. So with the Unbrush, you don't gotta worry about ripping your hair. You can kind of go like freestyle with it because it won't rip your hair. But just don't like pull, okay? So just, you can go at any direction. See, back. This is what it looks like after you're done detangling. Feels super smooth, no knots. So what I like to do next is this is for your own preference. What I like to do is just seal it in with a hair growth oil. So my family and I just opened up our own hair growth product line, and our hair growth oil penetrates deep into the scalp and hair shaft to provide long-lasting moisture. Formulated with natural oils like sweet almond and macadamia, our hair growth oil fortifies your hair, reducing breakage and split ends. Packed with ingredients like rosemary and peppermint oil, our hair growth oil stimulates hair follicles, encouraging hair growth. Achieve fuller, thicker hair naturally. The link will be in the description. Now I just take the oil and apply it in my scalp. This oil grew my hair like crazy, y'all. Trust me. It really did. Totally recommended. Just a quick reminder, all the stuff that I used will be linked in the description. The pick, the unbrushed, just everything that I use will be on my Amazon storefront, link in the description. Make sure to go check it out. So this is the end of my video. If y'all found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and put in the comments down below what video I should do next. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.